Could have possibly made the worst trade I've ever done. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we could have possibly made the worst trade I've ever done in the whole entire series. We made profit today, so you're probably wondering, oh, why was this your worst trade if you made profit? Surely the trades where you lost $300 were your worst trades. No, I basically completely balls this one up. Market opened, the price was doing its thing, and I misclicked. And I actually entered a trade, which is unfortunate. I entered a short, and the market did end up going down anyway. So we were okay, and luckily the price didn't come stop me out. Also, my stop loss was like that big, and then my take profit was that, so like the risk to reward was like completely messed up. And yeah, so I was risking like $1,000. So I had to change the stop loss a more safe level, and then I changed take profit to the actual place of where I thought market was going to go. And I'm going to show you the charts right now, and I'm going to show you what I did and how I managed to sort of recover. I'm going to start off by showing you this. So yeah, we made $68. We did two trades. So first trade we did was this one, made $24, and then made $44. And no, I didn't do two trades. I did one trade, but I just sold half my position when we got to a certain point, because I wanted to sort of have some sort of effect on our equity. I want to get a little bit closer to passing. So yeah, we're on 10,621. So we're $379 away from passing, which is really good. That is basically one trade. I could trade tomorrow and then pass straight away, but I reckon definitely by next week we'll definitely be able to pass. I'm like 100% certain that we'll be able to pass. So yeah, if we jump into the charts, I can show you what I did. So if we look right here, we have market open, we have a crazy candle, and then we come up. I think we took out. So yeah, we started having a bit of a bearish S&T. Oh no, that's silver. So yeah, we have a bit of a bearish S&T appearing. Actually, quite a big bearish S&T. On the 5 minute, and if you go to the 1 minute. So I waited for the 5 minutes. 5 minutes of manipulation. I was basically just seeing what we're doing. We inversed this fair value gap here, but I didn't enter a trade off that because I didn't think we were gonna go up. I thought we were bearish, because if you look right here, we've got this nice low, hourly low right there, and then we've got also this. Where is it? Another hourly low right here. So like we were basically guaranteed to go down. So there was no way we were going to go up, or we would go down like we did today. So we went down and we actually went up after that. And so yeah, I accidentally placed the short, like it must have been probably around here or something, with my stop loss like to the moon, like all the way over here. If I take profit like there, so I don't know what the fuck was going on. But obviously I had to change this, so I then moved my stop loss down to this high here. And I went to go target these. So it was shit. Proper shit. So 0.96 risk reward, which is kind of pointless. Anyway, took half profits there, and then I was moving my stop loss around because obviously, you know, I didn't want to be in this trade at all. So I wanted to get out as quick as possible. So I was moving my stop loss around. I know you shouldn't be doing that, but I didn't want to take this trade. And I took half profits here as soon as we hit this level, and then I set my thing to a point where I had a 1.3 risk reward, and then that's where the other take profit was. So yeah, not my price trade at all. I reckon I could have probably made a lot more money than I did today, and be even closer to passing the funded, which is really annoying. But it's what it is. There's nothing you can do about it now. It's happened. So, going tomorrow. Tomorrow we have got news that comes out at 10. But the plan is to still trade it anyway, and maybe risk less. So 1%, 0.5%, which is annoying because this today was meant to be a day where I make the money that I can sort of risk tomorrow, but that didn't happen. So I'm just going to have to see what the market looks like tomorrow. If it looks tradable, we'll trade. If it doesn't, we won't trade. Thursday is actually a really sick day for us to trade. There's no news, but I'm going to the pub. Unless I trade at the pub, which is kind of weird. None of my friends know that I do this, so it'd be a bit weird. I'll have to try and work around that. But yeah, anyway, that's it for this video. I'll speak to you guys tomorrow. Peace out.